Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating this Indian festive glam makeup look for Diwali. First of all, I would love to wish you all a very happy Diwali, and I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. I know it's going to be very simple and everybody will be at home this Diwali, but we can definitely dress up and do a bit of makeup. And I really wanted to get a little glammed up for this Diwali, so I came up with this look. And I have tried to keep all the products in the affordable range. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting with the primer first, and for that I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus Primer Serum. This is the first time that I'm going to use this primer, and it feels a bit hydrating on the skin, which I quite like, and it has very fine shimmer particles in it, which adds a bit of glow to the skin. The shimmer particles are not very visible and it blends into the skin quite nicely. I'm also prepping my lips with the Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline. And then I'm also going in with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Base Primer. I'm only applying it on the areas where I have large pores and texture. So this primer will help in smoothing out any texture and pores on the skin. And for the foundation, I'm going to be mixing two foundations today. So I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation and the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Now both these foundations are full coverage, but I'm mixing the two because the Maybelline one is slightly darker for me and the L'Oreal one is slightly lighter for me. So I'm mixing the two shades to get a perfect match for my skin tone. And I'm dotting the foundation all over my face, and I'm blending it using a flat top kabuki brush. And I'm quite happy with the finish and the shade of the foundation. I think it's matching me pretty well. So for the concealer, again I'm mixing two concealers. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the shade light medium beige, along with the Sugar Magic Wand concealer in the shade number 12 Cornlish. The sugar one is a little too yellow for me, so I thought of mixing both of these together and see whether this works for me or no. So I'm using the concealer on my under eyes and the areas where I want to highlight, and I'm blending it out using a concealer brush. Next, to set the concealer in place, I'm using the K-Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana. I'm focusing it mainly under my eyes so that it does not crease under the eyes. And next, to take off the extra powderiness on the face, I'm using the Sugar Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. As you can see, it instantly lifts all the powderiness and it adds a nice glow to the skin. And for the eyes, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. Starting with the brows first, I'm taking this darker brown shade from the palette and I'm using this to fill in the gaps in my brows. Once the brows are done, I'm moving on with the eyes now. And for that, I'm using this cool toned brownish transition shade in my crease. Next, I'm taking this terracotta shade from the palette and I'm applying this on the outer V of my eye and taking it into the crease as well. And next, I'm taking this orangey kind of shade and I'm going back into my crease with this to blend the two colors into the crease perfectly. And then for the lids, I'm using this bronzy shimmer shade and I'm applying it all over my lids with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm also using my fingers to intensify the color a little bit more. And next, I'm going back in with the same terracotta shade and I'm applying this on my lower lash line with a pencil brush. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline gel eyeliner and drawing a nice winged eyeliner. And using the K-Beauty Gel Kajal in the shade Onyx, I'm going to tightline my eyes and line my waterline with this. And next I'm going in with this champagne shade from the palette, and I'm using this as an inner corner highlight. Moving on to the face now, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution contour palette, and I'm using this warm brown shade as a bronzing shade. This is just going to add a bit of dimension and warmth to my face. And for the blush, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. It's a beautiful pink shade with very light shimmer flecks in it, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And finally, to highlight my face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm applying it on the highest points of my face using a fan brush. And to complete the eyes, I'm going in with my favorite mascara by Maybelline. This one is the Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm applying a generous coat on my lashes. And for the lips, I'm going in with a red lip here, and for that I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Braisen Raisin. And finally, to set everything in place, once again I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist all over my face. And finishing the look with a bindi, and that is the final finished look. I'm also going in with a second lip option, which is going to be a subtle pinky nude kind of shade, and for that I have chosen the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Delicate. It's a beautiful pinky nude shade, and I really like this color as well. Let me know in the comments below which lip option did you like more. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.